Hi, this is a very brief tutorial to show you how to make collections. First of all, in order to make a collection, you need to be in library mode. And there are different ways that you can do it. First of all, just by adding all of your attributes here, whether it's color labels, stars, or whatever. If you go over here on the left-hand side, you can see that these things are already automatically added in as a smart collection. Smart collections are actually a really nice way to go when you set these up. So every time I add another red color label, it's automatically going to be added into it. And because of that, smart collections are a very handy way to categorize your images in a collection. What I'm going to do for this tutorial though is make a collection based on a selection of images. So right now you can see I've got the custom filter open in library, and right now you can see that I'm filtered by the attribute of having a red label, and so all of these are obviously labeled, and you can scroll through and see that it goes on and on and on. For me, that means that I've already edited these images. Everybody uses color labels in a little bit different way. It doesn't really matter for the sake of this exercise. You can also add other things in, like text. So you can see some of these here have a little bit of a different look. Those are infrared photographs, and so if I just wanted to do that, all of these would be labeled either IR or infrared. In the keyword, I could type IR and that would further narrow it down. So it went from 604 images to now it's just 222. So assuming that this is more or less the collection that I want to create, in order to create a collection, you come over here and you can see there's this little plus with the little down triangle. Hold it over and you can do create collection. Alternately, if you want to do a smart collection, and again, smart collections are going to automatically add in new photographs as they meet the criteria you set now. So I'm going to do that because that's actually a more useful way to do it. You're going to want to give this a name, and so I'm going to call these infrared landscapes. And you can look at the options here. Set none is the default. The other thing you can do is smart collection. So this is going to be a smart collection. And what are we going to match here? Well, you can see what I've got here. I've got color label red, and so I'm going to want to keep that. Color label is red. I'm going to add another one here, and I've got a text word here, so I'm going to say text is it can be anywhere, but this is a keyword, contains, and I'm going to say IR. We'll create, and it's all of a sudden going to pop up over here. Right here is a smart collection, infrared landscapes. So please let me know if you have any questions with this. The way that you set up collections in smart collections is identical in Lightroom 3 and 4.